Damn, I hope you playing. Your dumb ass, you don't pull no triggers, you just talking. Shut your mouth and walk it. I stalk it, popping pitch with the Rockets. No Houston, you better.
I don't gotta say it. I don't gotta say it. I don't gotta say it. I don't have to say it. I don't have to say it. I don't have to say it because you know what I want to talk about. You know I'm in a good mood. You do. I'ma jinx us. I don't care. Because I remember the last time I said, every time I react to these niggas, they act up, we lost the next game. I didn't react to it on purpose. We come out. Well, actually, no, not even this. The next game, we came out after that game. Busted ass. Didn't react to it on purpose. It's a method to the madness. So, we finna lose next game. But that's okay. That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. Because these niggas understood the assignment, and I'm here to talk about it. It's getting hot in this house, man. Sweating and shit. That's what they do to you, man. Let's get into it. Ain't no wasting the time. Ho. You loud as shit, boy. Again. That's better.
Or on the road.
That's better.
Huge matchup, and we are underway.
That's better. Hey, look.
Conley around the Gobert
What I tell y'all, man, I'm at a loss for words, bro. This nigga Rudy came out this joint looking like Shaq Gobert, bro. Nigga LeBron out here aging in dog years. He just tried it. That pissed me off. LeBron out here aging in dog years. D-Lo tried to sell first half. It wasn't looking good. But only me. I keep faith, bro. I knew they wasn't gonna come out here acting damn fool like that. Ain't no way, right? We ain't finna go in the media and talk crazy. We ain't even finna go in the media and talk crazy, put this target on our back, say we old niggas, and come out here and just get bullied, right? We're not gonna let Rudy Gobert look like prime Hakeem Olajuwon forever, right? We ain't gonna let Cat start all that fake and talking in that deep voice that he be doing, bro. That shit weird. Can you please stop? That deep ass voice. Nah, we not on that, bro. We not on that. Nah, we got playoffs playing. Get it?
Substitution both ways. Russell can't get
AB was on that shit tonight, boy. And look, I tell you what, our season almost ended tonight. I know y'all, bro. As soon as that nigga AD went down and held his ankle, bro, I damn near went in the bathroom and looked at him.
They get Anthony Davis down the other end of the floor during the free throw
When he did this, I got scared. Malik Beasley finally found his dirty pistol.
In both directions too, which is important to get back in transition on defense too.
Beasley got another three. Have to get on him.
Just keep doing that. Nah, I ain't gonna lie.
Feel horrible for us.
Darvin kind of put on a masterclass tonight. He finally figured out how to ride the hot hand.
Another three.
I mean, they're gonna get
right. Shorten his rotation.
Post-ups a game, which
right.
is a lot for
Malik and Troy played like 10 minutes. That's a sweet spot for them. That's not too long to the point where they deficiencies start to get exposed. But that's just long enough for Malik to come in and hit 2 threes. Troy to come in and get a timely steal here or there. Like role players are supposed to do. This is how you manage a rotation, bro. This is how you maximize talent. When Dennis is having the night he was having, let him play. When he's fucking up, bro, get him out the game. Rui, bro, the box score gonna say.
Great shot making.
Let me see what happened this play. I knew some freaky deep shit was gonna happen. Austin had it, bro. When, damn it, I forgot what I was gonna say. Fuck.
James.
Oh, Rui, Asian man. The nigga only scored two points, but bro, he was real locking Cat big dumbass up, bro. Because in the first half, this is what he was doing, real walking in the 3-pointers, just
shooting 27% from outside.
Putting belt to ass, bro. And I'm not on that, bro. I hate watching Cat really do this. LeBron couldn't hit shit. D'Lo couldn't hit anything. This is what I like to see, bro. I don't got no complaints. I don't got no complaints, bro. People gonna clown AD a little bit for letting Gobert cook him in the first half, but that's what you got Mo Bamba for. AD wasting all his energy doing that, forcing 2 7-footers by himself because his next tallest player is 6'9". Bro is out here by himself doing this, bro. Still dropping 38, 17 goals. We gonna look at the stats, we gonna look at the standings, we gonna look at all that, bro. This is AD appreciation week. D'Lo, first half couldn't do shit. We kept at it. Right hand, man. Look, ain't nobody worried about these niggas. Anthony Edwards, sorry. Wasn't his night, thank God. Because if he was having, we got the shit beat out of us. But look, yeah, niggas in they bag first half, acting crazy. Acting a damn fool. I'm thinking at halftime, I'm like, bro, man, every time we get to 500, we just scared. We scared of success, bro. We don't like how Pussy feels.
Great job. And the Minnesota Timberwolves players
came out here, we took the rubber off,
that hurt Minnesota from outside the arc. BC 3 of 4
from a like.
3-point range.
Yeah, they was on that with us, bro. They was doing somersaults and bullshit. Mike Conley turning back the clock, bro. I ain't even say his name yet.
Vanderbilt blew the layup. LeBron is there.
Okay, I got one complaint.
It's right in front of us, too. It's great,
whatever craziness that was. Hey, Jared, you gotta get in the gym
for the Wolves. LeBron has to kick it out.
You be hitting that corner 3. I like that. You gotta build on that though, bro. You don't want to score on offense. It's not even that you don't want to. You just can't. You don't gotta
Davis, no one's guarding him.
Get in the lab with Phil Handy like Rui do, bro.
Edwards.
Rui won his game before every game.
He's not been able to get through those seams tonight, has he, Michael?
One thing I do wish they showed more of,
got the lay-in.
more defensive highlights. It was during this stretch right here.
1 for 11 in the third.
This little stretch right here. Dennis is the reason, bro. As a Laker fan, on Twitter, all that, we be bashing Dennis. But Dennis saved the season in the paint. Because AD hurt his ankle, he came in and played anyway. And Dennis just took it upon himself to say, you know what, the ball mine. I'm stealing that shit, I'm laying that shit, I'm dishing it. Like, yeah, I give credit when it's due. When you playing like that, I don't got nothing bad to say. Look at him. Tough.
Just watch how many purple jerseys are collapsing.
Keep that Germany shit to yourself, though.
And how they
basketball.
rotate back out to the perimeter.
Tough.
Bounce pass, great setup for LeBron.
Telling you, man.
Prince on the attack, the kick out.
And we just started swarming. We started swarming.
Over to Towns, the pump.
We started swarming. That's cool. It's cool. Austin just got walked under the basket. It's cool.
Gabriel took a shot. Here's LeBron.
Lewis. Come on, man.
Schroeder brings it up. Watched by Alexander Walker.
Up by 10. Down by 13 to up by 10, bro.
Over to Gabriel.
With the sky hook over. Who is that? Who's number 27? Turn around. Let me see the back of your jersey. I don't know who the fuck you is, bro. These the words of Blackbird. These ain't my words. That's what Williams talking about. And then it was just a stretch of the fourth quarter where AD started doing whatever he wanted to do. And that's what I love to see. And he did it all to Karl Anthony Towns. Karl wasn't doing none of that fake screaming. He wasn't doing none of that fake looking around whenever we airball. He wasn't hyping up the crowd. He wasn't blowing no kisses. Where was that at when AD was in your ass? Huh? You a front runner, bro. Nobody likes your ass. Yeah, come get this work. Come get this work.
Inside.
We don't see that help. Send one more. We don't see that help. Send one more. Get it back. We ran the same play 3 times. Get it back. I want him. Don't even screen him off. You can't run from this nigga. I'm running away from him. Get back on D. I'm back on D.
The fast break point advantage.
Run the play again. Look, same little screen, same little pin down. We're going that way for it. Yeah, bro, I know how to play. Get the ball to AD. Off the roll.
A lot of it's been turnovers, and AD gets the roll to the basket.
Trick
Great
bag.
pass by
In a
D'Lo.
blender. Don't know what the hell going on. You want some too? You know you too, bro. I don't even see that. Don't even bother jumping. I don't even see that. I don't see that. And he's the dry announcer. I was watching with the Lakers announcers.
Inside.
And they was lit. They was turned.
112, 101.
You know where the ball going?
Wow, because of what's been spread.
Don't even come down here. It's cool. You can have this. We're not even trying to foul him. We can have
Over
this.
for Anderson.
We on the Houston on Sunday. We on the Houston this Sunday. Are y'all talking anymore? I don't hear y'all. Anthony, you played awful tonight, boy. And I like you. So I appreciate that. Shout out to Dennis, man. Shout out to AD.
Schroeder.
LeBron, you played bad. I don't know how you ended up with 18.
Get him on a vet minimum
This how
contract.
his little cheap ass little let me see going to run out of screen. I ain't mad at it though, bro. Find that. AD probably gonna be out on Sunday.
Vanderbilt, Beasley, and D'Angelo
probably
Russell,
come out
who
and
we know as a battery, those three
everything.
together, what they did for Minnesota to help them
So
make
I
the
need that
playoffs.
chopping. Don't foul him. Yeah. Y'all can do whatever y'all want to do. Y'all can do whatever y'all want to do.
Prince the miss.
Whatever make y'all feel better, because y'all
And
going
the Lakers will run out the clock.
home. And we that big seven, boy. We coming. Don't even dap him up. We don't know them. They shipped you out, bro. What you say after the game? You a Laker fan. You a Laker fan. And y'all know where we going to look. Y'all know where I was coming. How you work this shit? We coming, bro. We play the Rockets next game. The Warriors fuck around, lose to the Spurs or somebody, and we beat the Rockets on Sunday. We right there. We play these niggas soon. Paul George gone. Russ gonna have to save y'all. Alright, I ain't even about to say Kawhi gonna be gone, because we the Lakers. Niggas get up for us. Yeah. Twitter's gonna be, I'm gonna have a ball on Twitter that night. I'm gonna have a ball on y'all niggas. Russ Nation, please show up. Please. Please. I'm gonna be on Twitter. On all my accounts. All my little burner accounts. Going on niggas in the comments. Don't get to the 5th seed, though. I don't want no part of these guys. Not yet. Not yet. I gotta see what they on first. That might be dumb, because we're gonna let them get a rhythm, but I gotta see what they on first. I don't want to play KD. KD always on that with us. These niggas won't die. Hey, Nuggets, I saw what y'all did the other night. Resting Jokic. Basketball guys got something for y'all. Because look, niggas getting out our way. They scared, bro. They scared of the Lakers. Nobody wants to play the Lakers. Nobody want to play us. Don't nobody want to play us. Nobody worry about the Thunder. Mavs. Kyrie. Can't come now. Should have forced your way to the Lakers better. We gave you a chance. You blew it. Welcome to hell. I'm gonna let that sit there for y'all. I'm out of here. I'm gone. I'm about to go sleep very well. Y'all could do what you want with that information. I'm gone.